enhanced waterproof performance. Choose materials with excellent waterproof performance to ensure that they will not be damaged in a humid environment and extend their service life. Second, anti-mildew and antibacterial. Give priority to materials with anti-mildew and antibacterial properties to prevent mold growth and keep the bathroom clean and hygienic. Third, durability. Choose durable and wear-resistant materials that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use and cleaning to maintain beauty. Fourth, easy to install. Choose DIY materials that are easy to install to reduce construction difficulty and time and improve renovation efficiency. Fifth, beautiful design. Ensure that the color and style of the material are in line with the overall design style of the bathroom to enhance the decorative effect. Follow us to get more practical advice and high-quality material recommendations for bathroom DIY renovation.